Sup? If y'all thought yesterday was easy, just wait till you see today. Legit, I probably shouldn't have spent the time to make this video, cause dang easy. Hopefully y'all have heard the news of Tom Brady signing with the Bucks. I talked to my 7th graders about that. And yeah, pretty wild. Crazy. Do I really need to make this video? I mean, jeez. Alright, slope of the line. How steep is it? Positive, negative, 0, horizontal 0, vertical undefined, not 0. Okay? So, if you got 2 dots, wow, that was not great. Okay? This is the first point, x1, y1. Second point, x2, y2. How do you find the slope? I think you learned this in like 6th grade. Slope between 2 points is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Coolio. We're not going to do too many of these. So, if you have the points 5, 4, and 3, negative 1, find the slope. And make sure I don't turn off my audio like I've done the past few times, butt dialing. And I already did it. It's already dead, so. Bad, mister. Alright, find the slope. Alright, well, I'm terrible, and so I always label. So, slope 5, y2 is negative 1, minus y1, 4, over x2, 3, minus 5. Negative 1 minus 4, negative 5, 3 minus 5, negative 2, negative by negative is positive, 5 over 2, no, not a hard problem. Please don't mess it up. The only thing, please be careful of if there are double negatives, make sure it turns into a plus sign. Please. What is that picture of? What is that? Dump truck? A semi-truck? What the heck? Alright. Cool. Next example. Sketch a line that has the point 1, 2 and slope 3 over 5. Alright. It just says legit graph it. So, 1, 2. There's your coordinate for that. You don't need to go down, but why not? Slope of 3 over 5. I go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put a dot. If I go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I get another point. Remember, because negative divided by negative is still positive. Wow, that was the straightest line of my life. Remember, just when you have your graph, make sure if it says the slope should be positive, make sure your slope is of a little dude walking up a positive slope. It's really easy to make it go the opposite direction, so just take a quick glance. Was it supposed to be positive or negative? And is my graph positive, or did I accidentally make it negative? So just a quick reminder, this would be a positive slope, this would be a negative slope, this is a 0 slope, and this is an undefined slope. Now just a quick thing, when you're using your formula, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 for slope, 0, you'll get like 0 over 5. It's basically just 0 divided by any number, that equals 0. Undefined, however, the 0 is on the bottom. So any number might be on top, but 0 on the bottom, that is undefined. Do not write down 0 for this. If you get a number over 0, it is not a 0 slope. It is undefined slope. Is there anything difficult for us in this section? Not really. So, slope, we had distance last section, we got our formulas for distance and for slope. That's about it. Have fun.